Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and innovation with the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Double Decker Motorhome. A true flagship of premium touring, this double-deck motorhome redefines what mobile luxury can be, blending cutting-edge engineering with first-class comfort. Let's explore what makes it a standout in the elite segment of luxury RVs. Step inside and you're welcomed by a vast, two-level living space designed with elegance and intelligent functionality. The lower deck features a refined lounge area with a large, curved flat-screen display, a premium surround sound system, and panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light. The kitchen is fully equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including an induction cooktop, integrated refrigerator, espresso machine, and dedicated wine storage. Upstairs, the master suite features a luxurious king-size bed, ambient lighting, and generous storage, while the ensuite bathroom boasts spa-inspired fixtures, a rainfall shower, and high-end finishes, delivering true five-star comfort on the road. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Double Decker Motorhome is a commanding presence. Its bold yet refined design showcases smooth aerodynamic lines, optimized for efficiency despite its size. The exterior is finished in Mercedes-exclusive metallic paint options that enhance durability and visual appeal. A full-length retractable awning transforms the side into a premium outdoor lounge, while polished alloy wheels and signature Mercedes-Benz badging reinforce its luxury identity. Built on a reinforced Mercedes commercial-grade platform, the double-deck structure offers exceptional rigidity and stability while maintaining impressive maneuverability. Every exterior detail is carefully engineered, ensuring this motorhome turns heads at every destination. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Double Decker Motorhome delivers effortless power and refinement. It is driven by a high-output six-cylinder turbo diesel engine paired with Mercedes' advanced automatic transmission, offering smooth acceleration and confident highway cruising. The adaptive air suspension system automatically adjusts to road conditions, ensuring maximum comfort for passengers on both levels. Advanced driver assistance systems, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, and automated parking support, make navigating tight campsites and urban environments remarkably stress-free. This motorhome perfectly balances commanding performance with Mercedes-level driving precision. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Double Decker Motorhome sits firmly in the ultra-luxury category, and its pricing reflects that exclusivity. With an estimated starting price of around $650,000, it's designed for buyers who demand uncompromising quality and prestige. This price includes premium interior customization, advanced safety technology, and the legendary reliability associated with the Mercedes-Benz name. To sum up, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Double Decker Motorhome is a remarkable fusion of luxury, innovation, and engineering excellence. With its expansive two-level layout, premium materials, advanced performance, and unmatched comfort, it sets a new benchmark in the world of high-end motorhomes. Whether you're embarking on extended journeys or seeking the ultimate mobile retreat, the Mercedes-Benz Double Decker delivers an elite experience on every mile. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.